Yes, you may take it with other supplements and other maintenance drugs. But here's the catch. You have to monitor your vital signs. Meaning to say, if you are taking maintenance medications for your sugar or for your blood pressure, you have to remember that there are active ingredients in Elixir Placenta that also lowers blood sugar, that also lowers blood pressure, which is to our advantage, by the way. It may cause more lowering of sugar and or blood pressure, and therefore monitor your vital signs, monitor your blood sugar regularly when you're taking it. As soon as you notice that your blood pressure is lowering down, then of course you can continue your Elixir Placenta but lower down your maintenance medication. Or better, you can consult your attending doctor for further recommendations. But these are positive results regarding maintenance. What about supplements? Can you take it? Of course, you may take together with other supplements that you've been taking. The problem with taking supplements and not taking your maintenance sometimes create problems because others would think that just by taking your supplements, you don't have to take your maintenance, which is a wrong notion. You have to continue your maintenance. And the proof of your supplement, just like Elixir Placenta, that it's really working is noticing that your blood sugar starts to lower down with the same maintenance, with the same dose of your antihypertensive, taking Elixir Placenta, notice your blood pressure going down. It shows a very positive effect of Elixir Placenta.